Did you know the United States military once drew up a plan to bomb its own cities and blame another country for it? In 1962, America's top military leaders, the Joint Chiefs of Staff, sat down in conference rooms and wrote out a detailed proposal. The plan had a name, Operation Northwoods. It called for blowing up American ships, shooting down civilian aircraft, and setting off bombs in Miami. The goal was to make Cuba look responsible, so the public would support an invasion. These were not rogue agents working in secret. These were the highest-ranking military officials in the country. They signed their names to it. They passed it up the chain. It crossed President Kennedy's desk. He rejected it immediately and fired the general who brought it to him. The documents stayed classified for decades. When they finally went public, most people who read them had the same reaction. They could not fully believe it was real, but it is. You can look it up right now. Every signature, every page, all of it.